Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen here on YouTube. Welcome back for another Jomar Wholesale unboxing video. I am super excited about today's video. I'm doing excited jazz hands. Jazz hands. See them? Those are my jazz hands. If you're new to the channel, hi! If you're new to the channel, I do include my bloopers at the end of the video because I make so many bloopers. I'm like a walking blooper. And so I was spending so much time editing them out, and then I'm like, these are ridiculous and funny. Let's have fun with them. So stay till the end of the video. And as a bonus, you can laugh at all the bloopers that I make. So I follow Jomar on Instagram, and they announced that later that day, they gave a certain time, I think it was noon or 2 o'clock, they were going to release the J. Crew shoebox. Are you following me on Instagram? I'm at The Grateful Queen on Instagram, and I would love to be friends over there. So I was literally on the Jomar website at the right time, and I clicked on it and got one. They were sold out in a matter of minutes. Why? Because J. Crew's awesome. I'm an online reseller. I buy these boxes to sell on Poshmark and eBay, and J. Crew is just a great seller. I put out a video recently, my 10 best-selling brands right now, and J. Crew was on that list, and I rarely find the shoes. Okay, here is the details for this particular box. J. Crew shoes, assorted women's returns. I can't remember if I knew they were returns or not. Sometimes I just get so excited I don't even read all the details, so bad reseller trait. Anyway, J. Crew, assorted women's returns, 10 pairs. The cost of the box was $140. I had a discount. Always use a discount. My discount length is The Grateful Queen, all one word. If you put in my discount, you get 10% off. Use my discount, use someone's discount. It's silly to buy on Jomar without a discount code. Shipping was $34. So with the total, with shipping, my discount and everything, it was $141.45. So I'll pop up on the screen what that equals for each pair of shoes. Okay, and then I'll try and get a sense, I'll try and tell you what, if I learned something about comps, meaning what are the sold comps. Oh, I gotta pull this pair out right here on the top. Yes, please. I need and love some animal print shoes. 2021 animal print, especially leopard print, is really hot. So we're gonna find out what this means that they're returns. Like, did the people wear them or what? These look amazing. Okay, let's take a look. J. Crew dyed calf hair, non-textile parts of animal origin, size 6.5. These look immaculate. Like someone maybe wore them around the store or outside or something. I will definitely be listing these as pre-owned, but like a loafer, a J. Crew animal print. See how it's like hairy?
That sounds weird. Like you shouldn't put up a shoe and say, see how it's hairy.
But you know what I mean? Like that calf hair, it actually is calf hair or something. This seems like a style that will be extremely popular. I'll check comps, but I'm guessing like 35 or 40 for those. I'm filming this in my office. I'm a full-time psychotherapist. This is where I usually see clients. I do it all via Zoom due to COVID stuff. But I do these unboxings in here, and then my office, that's supposed to be like my work office, is just full of Thredup unboxings, clothing, purses, shoes. It's just a mess. That's okay. I love Jomar. Right now, it's like Jomar and Thredup are my absolute favorite places to source inventory for my online reselling business. This is another loafer in an 8.5. I mean, it's just so classically beautiful. A black suede loafer. And it looks like it has a leather sole, which is an expensive thing to make. Now, these look like somebody probably wore them. I don't know why they returned them. I mean, I'll give them a little bit of cleanup. I clean all the shoes that I get. Sometimes they're not very dirty, and I just do like a disinfecting wipe or something. These just need a little wipe on the inside and a little on the bottom sole. I wonder if there'll be something in here that I can keep. Friends, I'm leaning in close here to remind you, to tell you, to ask you, please subscribe to the channel. I do a ton of unboxings. I have a whole unboxing playlist. I do a lot of reseller related content and hauls, and I'd love to have you. We have a great community of people that you can meet on my Friday Live every Friday at 5 p.m. Pacific time or in the comments. So please remember to subscribe, turn on the bell so you get notified when there's a new video, and like and subscribe, and there's a bunch of things to do, but it's free and takes you a second and it helps me out. Thanks. I'm a part-time reseller. It's a business for me. I make money on it, and I'm in it because I love the clothes. I love clothes and shoes, so I appreciate when I get a brand or a style or something I really like, and I have no problem letting myself keep something, wear it a little bit, and then you can always resell it. Isn't that a perk of this gig? This is not what I was expecting, but these are like J. Crew size 10 rain boots. They remind me of those hunter boots, like a low Kelly green rain boot, and these ones are still tagged together. They still have the boot paper in there, so I believe these are new. Size 10. I like having bigger sizes. Do you guys like bigger sizes, wide or narrow sizes, anything that's kind of harder to find? If you're a size 10 and you walk into the thrift store, how many size 10 shoes are there going to be? A handful? I'm a size 8. I can find shoes at the thrift store or any store so easily. Yeah, these are like new, so they still have the sticker on them. So, wow, those are probably going to sell for a lot. Oh, look at you. These are trashed though, but beautiful. I wonder if I can clean these up. Look at this nude beige suede woman's heel. That is gorgeous. But these look like they're so nailed. Like, I can't believe someone would be able to return this, but maybe J. Crew has one of those return policies where they accept the return no matter what. The inside's clean. The sole looks good. It just looks like they were worn. I have a video on my channel about cleaning suede handbags, and I bought an UGG suede cleaner to clean suede handbags, but I can also use it on shoes or boots or anything like that too, so I think I'll be able to clean those up. God, are those gorgeous. Wow, size 8, that's my size. I'm gonna try this on. I could never wear this because, oh my God, that's beautiful. I just can't wear shoes like this anymore. I do like comfort shoes. But wow, beautiful. Okay, so now I want to show you something else with the box. Look. So a lot of inside the box are other boxes. So that's promising. Like they could be newish, more newer. Let's take a look. Okay, pointed toe slides in floral, 7.5. So I wonder, selling shoes with the box would be good, wouldn't it? Oh, so good. Oh my gosh, so these are new. These, I mean, maybe someone returned them, but oh my gosh, look at the beauty before you. It's like a fabric shoe with a gorgeous flower. Oh my gosh. Textile, that is absolutely gorgeous, and these are new and I can sell them as new in the box. I bet these were quite expensive. I can't wait to look up retail and comps. Is anybody a size 7.5 that could wear these? Oh my God, they're gorgeous. I'm excited. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous.
I'd wear those shoes like one time. I'd probably step in a puddle or something and I'd be like, yeah, that's why I wear the comfort shoes.
This pair's not in a box. This is a cool style. They have a little bit of wear, size 7. An espadrille. So see this, this heel here, that's what makes a shoe an espadrille. These are an animal print espadrille, size 7. So fun, kind of a platform, and it just looks like someone might have worn them, and there's some dirt and stuff on the bottom, but other than that, pretty good. I think the comps on these, I think we're gonna learn that I'm gonna make a lot of money off this box. Another, it's like a present. I'm opening a present.
I am how old right now? Like, I'm opening a present. I'm 45 years old. I sound like a little kid.
This one says, classic leather sneakers with leopard tab, size 9. Why is nothing in my size? Jomar. I love Jomar. Oh my God, check it out. This is such a popular style, like platform sneaker right now, but then they have a leopard accent. Totally new. These are new. So they're returns, but they're new. I should have bought another one of these boxes. I always do that. I'm like, hold on, pause the video for a minute because I'm going to go and buy myself another box. These sold right out. They do have other J. Crew stuff on the site though. Men's clothes, I know. Use my discount link, The Grateful Queen, to get 10% off and get yourself some awesome stuff. If you're a reseller and you live somewhere and you're like, I can only find mall brands or I can't find good inventory, please consider shopping online. I shop on places like Jomar, Thredup, Shop Goodwill, B&G Trading. Like there's so many places where you could, I shop on Poshmark. Search for brands that you would like to sell and maybe make an offer or bundle some stuff so that you can get better brands in your store so that you can make more money, you know? Okay, alrighty, this is a pair of, this box, like I have box issues. Okay, somebody, I know other YouTubers watch my videos and leave comments. How do you do the haul with the big box? Like, I need a lesson. Size 9.5, J. Crew. I can't tell what's going on here though, can you guys? This must be one of these like up the leg. Okay.
It's a flip-flop. Flip-flop? Yeah. Do you have any flip-flops on a size 9.5?
Okay, this is like a gladiator type sandal and my guess is it like goes up your calf. That is so attractive. These are brand new. Like these have no tags, but they're totally brand new. I can't haul those very well, but you get the idea. Maybe I'll find a stock photo. Thanks for staying with me. We're almost to the end in the bloopers. Okay, this box has some damage. Size 7, flat in suede with jeweled strap. $89.99 is the price on here. And to me that looks kind of like a sale price. $89.99. Okay. Oh gosh, beautiful. I bet people are returning these because they wear the suede. A black suede slip-on, but look at the embellished front there. It's like rhinestones and oh, it's gorgeous. Now this has some rubbing to the suede, but they don't even look like they're worn. Look at the bottom. No one wore these out of the house. How did they get a little bit of wear on the suede? See, I wonder if these were like a display model or something. Oh gosh, why aren't these in my size? They're so pretty. Oh, I love it. I love this box. This is a fantastic box. I can't wait to see how much profit I'm going to make selling these on Poshmark and eBay. Oh, this one's got some notes on it. I don't know. It's all covered up. Size 8, that's my side. Pointed toe slides in leather. I don't think this is going to be my style. I want these ones in an 8. Or I want all of them in an 8. Why am I so excited? My son said to me the other day, and it was like in a disdainful kind of teenager voice, but he's only 9. He's like, Mom, why do you have to get so excited about everything? I don't know. Oh, yeah, these are gorgeous. I just don't know if they're quite my style. Could I wear these, you guys? Could they look kind of boho? Oh, totally brand new on these ones. Oops, the tissue's falling out. Look at this. Gorgeous slide. Does this one have the price? The only one, oh yeah, $128. $128 pointed toe slides. I love it. Putting it on. Yeah, they're almost like too classy for me. They're like pointy toe and leather and gorgeous, but I don't know. I don't know if they're me. You guys, oh, sorry, I bumped the camera. Is it shaking? I'm so happy I'm surrounded by J. Crew. Beautiful shoes, which I will enjoy photographing and selling. Thanks for sticking with me and watching the video. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. See you guys next time. Love you. Bye. Anyway, I had this problem with the last video where the box flap was here and I just can't even figure out how to deal with it. Someone probably has a really good tip. Someone who is better at doing unboxings and reviews than I probably has a great tip. I should probably like tape it down or tuck it in. Anyhow, follow Jomar on Instagram and so here's my invoice somewhere. Here it is. Be prepared for the haul video, Quimby. I'm not prepared. I share a lot more stuff There's literally a hair in my mouth, so I'm trying to do that little part and there's like a hair. Like, what? That'd be good. Okay, this is like, yeah,